Hello everyone, this is Raven, and today I'm going to try to show you how to see nature spirits for yourself in your own photos. And first off, nature spirits live in a parallel world or dimension to us, next to us, and they can't take physical form in our dimension, not yet, because they live in their dimension, and every dimension we are in, we are physical, but they do not appear as ghosts who lives or exist in the fourth dimension, because these are nature spirits and they appear in nature. So here's one of the photos that I have taken, and this is just outside my house here, and this is the old mill, and they have planted lots of flowers here, and I took several photos. I think it was 2 years ago, and what you need to look for are shapes, different shapes, and what looks like faces and eyes, perhaps, if you take close-ups of nature, leaves and grass and so on, because they are in between things, in between leaves, in between branches, doorways, shadows, between light and dark. And this little I don't know if it's a spirit or a nature spirit, because it really looks like a little girl with pigtails. As you can see here, it looks like she's have something on her head, and it looks like she have pigtails. Here's the face, and here's the nose, and some sort of shirt. And oftentimes you see them better when you zoom in. And this is the photo that I took on the cemetery when my best friend passed away. And this is the memory lane, where over here you have the memory stones with the names, and as you can see, there's lots and lots of flowers here, and I didn't see this at first, but then I saw this here, and I thought, what is it? And then I saw this cute little fairy. You can see here her face, eyes, her blonde hair, and her wing, the other wing, and her white dress, and she's slightly tilting her head. And this is the most amazing photo that I've ever taken of a nature spirit. And since my friend that passed away also believed in nature spirits and had seen them all her life, I believe that was a cute little message from her. So use your eyes and look for faces, eyes. Here's another photo, a little frosty and full of leaves. When you take these photos, you often get small faces in between leaves and eyes. Here is one eye, as you can see here, perfect eye, peering back, and the in between. And up here There's another eye. See here. So when you take these photos, you often get eyes and very small, but oftentimes very good faces. And here's another photo. This is the old ruin here. And when you look at it like this, just nature and a couple of ruined stones and trees and everything. But when you start to zoom in, you start to see, because nature spirits appear in nature. Here, you see this chin here. Zoom in a bit more. This almost looks like a hag or something, a witch. See this big nose, her mouth, eyes. And over here, you can see this beautiful face here. It's chin, eye, mouth, her hair. And move on. This is also between the rocks. This looks like trolls. Eye, very big nose. And here's the friend. And you move on. This, I don't know what this is, but it looks like he or she is wearing some type of a hat. I don't know. See here, face, hat. And once you learn to see these shapes and faces, you will see them at once. And here's another one. This is a close-up of a bush. I don't know what you call these bushes, but in Swedish it's called nyponbuske. And here's a pixie. You can see here, ear. This is the face, the nose, the eye, arm, leg, arm. He's sitting there on the branch. And this is another close-up of a pixie. Ear, eye, nose, eye, mouth. As I said, once you see it so clearly in all the photos. So, good luck and take a good look at your own pictures, photos, and perhaps you will see them peering back at you. Love and light. Bye bye.